Hello everyone, in today's video I will review the best airplane launcher toys. This is a new type of airplane launcher toy. It has two most popular flight modes for you to choose from. Normal flight mode. The plane flies about 100 meters high and reduces the speed gradually, which can last for about 20 seconds. Bounce flight mode. The plane flies around 100 meters high and bounces off the ground, which can last for about 3 minutes. Airplane launcher toys are the best way to succeed in this kind of toy. They are designed with a plastic handle that is durable and easy to use. It is also made up of ABS material which will not break easily. This amazing toy comes with a bunch of different features that make it easy to use and fun for all ages. There is an air pump, a launcher pad, and 2 flight modes, including dual propellers and hovering mode. These toys are very popular among children as they love the idea of sending their planes into the sky and out into the distance before catching them again. Now, you can be one of those kids who always wanted to have one. The airplane launcher toys can launch airplanes by using compressed air. Moreover, it has 2 flight modes, normal and high. You can use it for outdoor flying games or indoor playing games. 1. Compressed air. The air is compressed to a high pressure and then released through the nozzle in the launch pad, and this causes the airplanes to be launched into the sky when they hit them with a strong wind and collisions. 2. Normal. The airplane launcher toys has 3-speed operation that you are able to adjust with a screwdriver, which will help you achieve faster or slower speeds of launching an airplane toy. 3. High. The plane launcher toy is used for outdoor flying games and indoor playing games as well. 4. Flight mode. There are 2 flight modes available. Normal. Airplane launcher toys are specially designed to help toddlers develop coordination, balance, and patience. The toy also helps kids grow their imagination and build self-esteem as they play with the launcher. Possible topics. Safety of airplane launcher toys. Why airplane launcher toys are popular among parents and children. What makes airplane launcher toys a must for every household. There are many different brands and types of airplane launcher toys on the market, but few meet the level of quality that parents are looking for. With so many choices, it can be difficult to find one that will hold up to a child's imagination and not break or disappoint. The following is a list of toys ranked by customer ratings and reviews as well as features and price. This list should help parents determine which toy is best for their own child. As the toy industry has grown, there has been a greater need to find toys that are not only enjoyable for children but also safe. Airplane launcher toys are one of the best kinds of toys that can be considered safe because they have soft rubber tips which reduce the risk of injury. Toy manufacturers are always on the lookout for new ways to make their toys unique and more entertaining for children. Airplane launcher toys are a good example of how this is done. They were created with 2 purposes in mind: to entertain and to teach kids about physics.